But a censor, you censored me, sir. I have a Twitter account in Canada, and because I wrote something that produced some Pakistani blasphemy law, you complained to Twitter, which took down my tweet in Canada. So can you explain why your Islamic supremacy in Pakistan is silencing my personal and journalistic freedom in Canada? And I know it happens in the United States too. And frankly, you sure should be embarrassed to invite a censor like this. But back to the thug. Who the hell are you to censor me in Canada? Answer.
Now, I don't like.
I know you don't, because you don't like free speech.
No, I don't like.
You don't like free speech.
Okay. Would you like to answer that very quickly?
No, I'll just respond to you, sir. First of all, you want your sentiments to be respected. Just look at the tone and the tanner you've adopted. Is that the correct way? You have a right to ask questions.
Well, then why did you censor me?
Did I censor you?
You shut down my Twitter.
I did not.
Don't lie.
How am I responsible for that?
Because the government of
I
Pakistan
think,
did.
listen to me.
The government of
I'm being
Pakistan.
respectful to you.
You're not. You censored me.
I did not censor you.
Don't lie.
All right. Why would I lie?
Because that's what you do.
Okay. No, we don't. I'm sorry. You have double standards.
Shame on you.
You have double standards.
Shame on you.
You forget.
Censorious.
You have double standards. And what you call freedom, at times you are projecting certain sectoral agendas.